In this lesson, we're going to look at lens flare and how to apply it in Photoshop with a really simple tool. So you've opened up this image and you need to now go to Filter, down to Render, and hold on your mouse and get down to Lens Flare. Click on that and then it will give you a preview. Now it's giving you a preview of the default lens type that creates a lens flare, and that's 50 to 300 millimeter zoom lens. Now check this out. You can change the size of that flare. You can actually hold down your mouse and move it. You can experiment with different types of lens flares. But the basic thing is you've got a preview here, and once you decide on what you like, what if I that looks like he's getting his eyeballs burned by the sun. So you click OK. Now the thing about the lens flare is that it's not in an adjustment layer. This particular tool doesn't exist within the adjustment layer. So when you commit to this, it's a commitment. So let's do Command Z. The pro tip would be you want to duplicate the layer and turn it off. And then go to here and go to Filter and Render and Lens Flare, and you do your thing, and you've still got this original Mr. Pug sitting underneath it. So for this assignment, you can use another image if you want, or use Mr. Pug, and then you're going to save it as a JPEG because that's a smaller file size, and submit your work. And that's the assignment.